and welcome to Pig Beach
Food Reviews.
I'm Kaz.
And I'm Chris.
And today we're having a takeaway from HIVE Urban Farm Shop. And this is in Church Street in Blackpool.
Oh yeah.
Do you fancy it?
I really do indeed.
Well, keep on watching because we are going to take plate these delights up. To Blackpool once again. Cheers to you all at home.
Cheers to all. Cheers.
Slightly windy day. Cheers, Chris.
Well, Blackpool sometimes gets like this, doesn't it? Here we go.
This is a breakfast English tea. Very
Yeah,
nice.
that's right. Yeah, not just your ordinary tea.
What we have today, we have gone for. It is our steak club sandwich.
Correct.
This is on a gluten-free bread toasted and
Standard, exactly the same, obviously, on a farm cake.
on a farm cake. Also, I've got a gluten-free orange and almond muffin.
It's interesting.
Looks gorgeous, that does. Put that down here for now. And what do you have? You have, Chris?
Chocolate fudge cake.
Well, that sounds nice, doesn't it?
It's interesting again.
Yeah, a bit of mousse on. Chocolate mousse there.
Ah, yeah.
Ah, that's
Mousse.
right. Okay, we're going to go straight into this lovely now. We'll show you how it looks inside.
Yeah, that's...
Well, we'll see, we'll dissect it.
Watch out for seagulls too.
Yes. So what we have on here, we have a beef tomato. You can see this rump steak. It's got, I think that is a rocket
Rocket salad.
Rocket
yeah.
lettuce.
Yeah.
And then onion. Has it got onions there? Cheese,
That one.
cheese. And we have an egg.
What's wrong with that,
An
eh?
egg.
Put an egg on it.
Wow.
Lovely.
Okay, it's yours exactly the same. I imagine it would be.
Exact same scenario. Shall we?
Go straight into it. Ah, that's right. It's got caramelised onions in the
Oh,
on the top.
I love it. I love it.
You're going to just go straight into that. One
Yeah.
bite. Go on then. Let's have both of a bite and see what we think about this, eh?
Okay.
Say that. I better cut mine.
Good.
I might have
Put
been,
that on. Might be getting a
I think
bit.
I might drop it all over everywhere. Go on then. You go for it.
Yeah, I'm in.
Because this is one big sandwich, isn't it? Wow, look at that. That steak looks very good, very well done. But don't look chewy, does it?
Oh,
Does it taste good?
damn right it does. Oh,
That steak, it literally melts. It melts, doesn't it?
delicious.
Straight into this. I still can't pick it up.
My mouth is just bursting with flavour.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
really good, isn't it? I think the gluten-free bread underneath, the only problem is it's got a bit soft, obviously, because of all the moisture of the tomato and the salad.
Yeah.
So I'm going to eat it just like this. I'll eat it like this. See how it tastes, shall we?
Oh, quick look at this piece of steak. Oh, there's a nice bit. Nice and tender. Seasoned. Oh, sweet. Yeah.
It's tender. It's tender, isn't it?
I'm loving it. I am spoiled here. Absolutely spoiled.
But we thought we'd go for something slightly different today, didn't we? We thought, yeah, you know.
Yeah, we got the fish and chips and the breakfast, but that's club sandwich, steak.
Steak. Now, how often do you see a steak club sandwich?
Right. Very clever.
Normally you get your chicken, isn't it? Chicken and bacon usually.
Yeah. Delicious.
The cheese, it's like a mature cheddar, that is,
Yeah.
because you taste that tang, can't you?
Yeah, yeah.
It's tangy. Just,
We're hungry. As simple as that.
it's going down very nice, isn't it, Chris? Bread, the gluten-free bread, is good bread. Yeah,
Well, they do quite a bit. They can, with the gluten-free,
cater, can't
they
they?
can cater really well.
Yeah.
Just gotta think it about a bit to get it. I think they nailed it with that there, don't you?
But it's all in the taste. And you like, you know, it's like I'm saying, caramelised onion with steak, with salad, with cheese, on a nice toasted gluten-free
Yeah.
wholemeal brown bread.
And
It
an egg.
works. And an egg, it works.
Never had a club sandwich with a fried egg. Different.
It is. Well, what are you up to today? It's Sunday afternoon. Here we are, near the North Pier.
North Pier. The tide's in.
The tide's on its way. We
Oh.
were, as you probably noticed, we were just round the corner, but it was coming in a bit quick there.
Looked a little dodgy, didn't it?
So we
So,
thought, let's move, didn't we?
health and safety through the, you know.
Now, what we're going to do now, you know what's coming next. We're going to finish this up,
Slip.
and if you'd like to come back for a big review,
Let's go. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. In our hastiness to get to the review, we forgot to include dessert. So, here it is. Kaz?
we have gluten-free, orange and almond muffin. And it has a little,
Ornament.
looks like a tomato to me. Maybe I've got that wrong.
I don't know about it.
I
A bit
don't.
that with it.
And Chris, again, what have you got?
Chocolate fudge cake. Chocolate mousse on top.
Oh,
It's got a Cadbury's flake on top. So,
Cadbury's flake? Wow. I'm going to give this a good taste test, aren't we? Get
have
into
it.
it. Let's give that a... That's a nice sponge, isn't it? How do you like that?
yeah.
Do you like that sponge?
Look how it holds itself like that.
Oh, it's got
It's the, old
what?
it's the mattress test. Delicious.
Raspberries. You have raspberries, blackcurrants.
There's more to it than
So
meets
there's
the eye.
there's
This.
raspberries, almonds, orange sponge. Wow. That's some, that's an explosion of summer fruits in my mouth.
It's a muffin up your lights. Spoiled.
Wow. How's that one?
Well, first bite was fantastic. Chocolate. Love chocolate. Let's have a bit of this mousse. Chocolate. Paradise. Buttercream. That is a good cake. Very well made. All made in-house. Everything.
Wow.
Cakes, biscuits, the lot is made at the restaurant.
Amazing.
Oh, I could live off this as well.
Right. want you to write into the comments where your favourite takeaway is, where around the country, and what type of cuisine you like. Write in the comments below. We'd like to see what type of foods you do like.
Definitely.
We'll bring
Please.
you them reviews on your type of food.
We'll check it all out. We'll see what's on offer.
Yes.
Definitely go
Now we're going to go on to the pig review.
this time.
Hello and welcome back to the pig review. What do you think about the food today, Chris?
No problem with this one. Thoroughly enjoyed it. It was a delicious steak, all nicely chopped and cooked and seared. Easy to eat. The palate loved it. Salad, the tomatoes, the lettuce, mayonnaise, cheese with that.
Cheese
yeah,
with chopped,
yeah. Absolutely delicious. Went down easy. Yeah, treated very well. Cake, I'll do the cake. The chocolate fudge cake. Oh, no, you're talking my language. You ticked every box possible for a chocolate cake. It was a good piece. You bit into it. It's easy to eat, delicious in the mouth. Absolutely well treated.
How do you like your tea?
Spoiled.
Your breakfast tea?
A breakfast tea. I think this is a little bit higher than your normal brands of tea, this one.
Yeah, bit of quality.
It was quality tea. Loved it. I do like tea, so yeah, winner all round. So, guys, loved it.
Well, I'll just agree with Chris. I've got the same sandwiches, Chris, anyway. So everything on that sandwich Chris just said, exactly like that. It was very tasty, because like I said before, steak and onion.
Yeah.
They always went together with the cheese, tangy cheese, caramelised onion. It was sweet, like a sweet onion.
Yeah.
The steak was really top of the range. It hadn't got any gristle in it. It was just... The teeth went straight through that steak.
Yeah.
Not this chewing. It was like chewing gum.
Don't forget the egg.
Oh,
yes.
The egg. That was a good egg.
Never had an egg on a club sandwich.
I've not.
Oh, wow, a fried egg.
Sometimes they put eggs on like salad, don't they? But I've never actually had one on never had one in a sandwich. So the egg was good too. Not runny. We don't want a runny egg in that though.
No,
that's
you don't
a
want.
solid egg.
Correct.
It was nice. So that's all that food, and we'll talk about the gluten-free bread. Because the bread, for all you people at home who have to have the gluten-free bread, you'll be interested in this bit. The bread was good consistency. It wasn't like that bread you get sometimes. You could tile roofs with, that stuff. It wasn't any of that. It was a good one. But it had some herb bubbles in it, so it was a bit bouncy.
Right.
And it was nice. It was really good, that bread. So I'll give that a 10 on its own, that bread.
There you go. Well
So
done.
that's that. And my muffin was something I've never tasted before. They say it was almond and it was orange and it was raspberry and a black currants. Yeah, it was all encased in this lovely sponge. It had that lovely decoration on the top of it. It just looked, posh, a posh taste.
A nice explosion of
And
taste.
it was the taste. It was pure summer in my mouth. Pure, beautiful, absolutely beautiful
Again,
cake.
made on the premises. Yeah.
Wow. Right, well, my tea, I have a tea fab as well. Breakfast tea, and it went down very nicely.
Yeah, they have all the other brands, your Earl Greys as well.
So this is a bit of a higher end place, and it's, like I say, it's called HIVE Urban Farm Shop, and you'll find this on Church Street in Blackpool. The receipts, it came to £30 and 30 pence. Now, it does sound quite steep, but it was high-end quality foods.
Yeah.
So, and again, the steak. I mean, you can't beat that steak, can you?
No, it was delicious.
Yeah. So the
Really
breakfast tea was £2.65 each. Each of the cakes were, the muffin was £3.25. The chocolate mousse cake was £4.50.
I had to.
Exactly. And we had the club sandwiches at, talking there, £17 for two.
Yeah.
And it was 25p extra for the gluten-free bread.
Sometimes you got to slum it. There you go.
So £30, 30p. What do you think about that price? Show you a bit closer, or you can see that. I'll put a shot of that on now anyway.
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments. Does that look worth that money? Is that something you're willing to come and try in Blackpool?
Well,
A change from the norm of fish and chips.
it was busy.
Breakfast.
You know.
It was busy.
Oh yeah, it was busy. There were people who regularly go there because they were talking to the staff, so I'm surmising as it's popular.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. Allegedly Sunday afternoon out at Blackpool. Okay, with that, we're going to go straight on to the pink score.
Come on.
The scores are in.
Oh yeah.
What is the score for today, Chris?
The score, again, it's not a problem with this one. Straight 10. Straight. Absolutely delicious. Recommended. Going back again. I am going back again. Well worth the play. Gas.
For me, it has to be a straight 10. I cannot complain about any of that food. From the delicious gourmet sandwich to that, that homemade cake.
I know.
With extra special touch, for everybody. So, it feeds everybody, every type of intolerance out there. I'm sure they've got something for everybody.
Yeah.
Vegan, vegetarian.
Exactly.
So it's, it's a win-win, isn't it, for us, this one?
It's dead easy.
Yeah.
Dead easy.
So it's a 10.
Yeah.
Before we go, we would like to say hello and welcome to our new subscribers.
Yeah.
And not forgetting all of you who've been here from the beginning. Thank you so much for continuing to support this channel.
Absolutely.
We're really enjoying ourselves. And like I say, hello and welcome to all you newbies. And thank you for your comments as well.
Yeah.
It's always lovely to hear from you. And with that, we will see you again very soon. Please, always keep your sparkle.
Take care.
Take care.
Ta-ra.